Design Studio. My name's Nicole Reid and today is Friday, so that can only mean one thing. It is Finish It Friday. As you can see in the background, my sidekick's not here today. So I have been diving into my unfinished projects and I have got a couple of things pulled out. But you might be wondering about that little summer dress, whether I got that made or not. Well, I did. I actually got it made the week that that afternoon I started doing it from the last post that I did for a Finish It Friday, and I made the little dress. It turned out very, very cute. It was a little bit difficult to understand because my forte is not clothes sewing, but it was super easy in the way that it was a pattern and I didn't have to cut out the strips or to make them, you can see there, they're just printed onto it. And I had a little bit of trouble understanding how to do the pleats and everything, but I got it in the end and it turned out really well. Little Em loves her dress. I put it on there and she gave me a big cuddle to say thank you. But unfortunately, she doesn't stay still long enough for me to take any pictures of her in it. So I'm going to try again over the weekend. We've given it a bit of a wash and a press and everything. It hasn't shrunken any, so that was really good as well. So you might be wondering what I'm going to be working on this week. Well, I've actually pulled out two things to finish because the first one that I lucky dipped out was only a small item and it wasn't going to take me long at all. So I figured that I'd be able to get two in this week. So the first one that I pulled out was a little table runner or mini quilt, whichever you want to say. A cute little block that we did a couple of, I hate to say it, but a couple of years back. We did this as a class here and I did make one and I gave it away, and this was the second one that I did, and I used this as the class sample, but it hasn't been quilted or anything like that. So I'm going to get that quilted this week and also get the binding on it, and I've just got to decide what colour binding on it. I'm thinking that I'm going to go with green by the way that that's standing out on camera. I think that the green would look really good on that. So that is one of the items that I'm going to do, and the other one is actually a no-sew item. So I actually have to go do a little bit of shopping for this one, and that's probably why it's not finished. These are from a pattern called Matilda Flowers, and as you can see they are using Peltex, double-sided fusible, and basically they're flowers and they've got a little bit of a center. I do want to put it maybe a button or something in the center of that, or I might actually sew that together, but they're just used hot glue gun to put that. I've just used a hot glue gun to put that together, and I've got 3 of them and they just need some stems basically. So I've got to go down to the hardware store of all places and get some dowel to finish that, and that's just put on with a with hot glue and a little bit of fabric over the top of it to hide the top of it, and then they can sit in a vase. So they're the 2 things that I'm going to get done this week. So you know what the drill is. Leave a comment down below, tell us what you're working on and what you're trying to get finished, or if you haven't joined our Facebook group yet, hit that link down underneath this video, head on over to our Facebook group, request to join, and someone will approve you, and then you can share your pictures and your comments of stuff that you're working on. If you like this video today, give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here and the little bell icon beside it, and that way you won't miss out on any future posts. My name's Nicole Reid for Darvanalee Design Studio, and this is Finish It Friday. And I'll see you all again next Friday. Have a great week, everybody, and good luck getting those UFOs done. Bye for now.